and welcome to this Wave.video tutorial. My name is Anita Wong, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create your very own square video using one of the templates inside of the Wave editor. So to do that, I'm going to share my screen with you, and we're going to jump straight into the editor, and I'm going to show you how to make your very own square video. Okay, so once you've logged into your Wave.video account, it doesn't matter what plan you're on, whether you're on the free, the creator, the pro, or the agency, you have access to all of the templates available. And it will depend on the plan that you're on regarding the size. Okay, so we're going to go over here and select templates. So today we're going to create a square video. So just one thing to bear in mind when you're creating your video from one of the templates is that down here on the left, you can either opt for just those templates with free content in, or those templates with free and premium content in. Now you can swap up the premium content for free content. So if you see one of the templates that you really like, but you want to swap up for free content or your own content, then that's possible as well. You can also source some of the templates by category, which is like this down on the left here. So I'm going to choose one of the options inside of the templates down here, and we're going to go on and create your square video. Okay, so as it is National Small Business Week in the US, I'm going to choose this template to work on. Now we are creating a square video, so I want to show you how you can mix up the formats so that you choose which one you want. So I'm going to choose this template. So you just click on the template that you want to start working on. And then you see at the bottom, this template comes in horizontal, square, or story. So you just click on the square and it automatically changes it up for a square format. And then you just click edit template. So whilst that's loading, what you do is once it's inside the editor, you'll be able to swap up your own content for instead of the content that's inside the editor, or you can use some of the content inside the editor, which is either free or paid for. Okay, so inside the editor, as you can see, one of the things you need to make sure on before you carry on working on your template is that this section here where it says square is forward from the tabs that are also within the template. So the stories tab and the YouTube tab are behind this square one. If you're not sure, just make sure you click on it and that will activate the square format. Now we're in the edit section. Just a quick brief overview of the edit section. We're working on the background at the moment, which is the video over here. To access the text, you would need to click on the text boxes that are available. So as you can see, the text box is here. And what that does is it highlights then the text area in here. So all you need to do is you just need to mix up what's written at the beginning. So we're just going to play to check what's written. And then you can add your logo and your branding yourself. So we're going to do Happy National Small Business Week. So we're going to just change this to week, and then you can just change it by clicking on the text that you want to change, highlight it, and then just change it up for the text that you want to put into the video editor. Now that's one part of the text, and then as you can see over here, the second part of the text is the call to action widget. Now you see here it says call to action. So this comes in 3 different variations. You can have just your logo in the center, you can have your logo with writing at the bottom, or you can have your logo on the left with writing on the right. Now you can also see that there are some stars on the video, and those stars are down here as well. Now to get to those stars, they're part of the graphics and sticker section. So if you click on that, you come to the graphics and sticker section. So here you've got stickers, and here you've got GIFs, which are like GIFs, which are moving animations. So we are in the stickers. So as you can see, this star here is one of the stickers from the sticker selection. Now, to make sure that your sticker shows the whole length of your video that you've chosen, you just need to make sure that the blue section goes all the way to the end. If you don't want your stickers to last the entirety of the video, then you can just drag this across to make it shorter. and up. Now the stickers can be moved around the screen by clicking on them and moving them up and down depending on where you would like them to go. So that's just covering the background area is the video. This is where you can either speed up the video if there's a video, or you can zoom in the video to make it come closer or further away, or you can speed it up. But for the purpose of this, we're just going to look at how you can create your square using a template. So if you wanted to change this background, then you would click the replace button. And by clicking the replace button, you enter the area where you can choose any other video by typing in some keywords and then clicking go. So when you go, and it will just search up some of those other areas that you can go on. So that here, there's another one. If you don't want to have the access to the marketplace ones, you just untick that and it will only show you the free ones inside the editor. You can mix it up with images as well. So you can choose images as well as videos. And you can also change the background to a basic color. If you wanted to upload your own assets, so your own content, you would go to the upload tab and you would click upload file and it would pull a video or a image from your own computer. So we'll just jump back to the edit section. So there we are with our video. We have our graphics and stickers. The watermark depends on your plan, so we won't go into that for this one. And then add music. So here you can see at the bottom that there is the music here. Now this music, if you click on it, will show you that it's 13 seconds long, and you can also swap this music up by, you can see what the music is first of all by hovering over it. Just give it a second to show it. And then if you want to swap the music up, you just click add music here and you can change up the music for something else. So if I was to just put small business, it will bring up some different music to go along with your video. To test what the music sounds like, you can just hover over the play sign and the editor will play the music for you. To swap it up, you click add and it will bring that music into your video. Now it will also stop the music at the length of your video if you add it in as a swap. So it only goes to the end of your current video that you've got at the moment. Once you're happy with the music, you can just test your video out again. So you press play, it will play the music to you. You can see how you've configured your video with the text and the stars and the length, and then your call to action where you can add your logo or your sticker. Then the final thing to do is to click publish. So when you go to publish, depending on your plan, will depend on whether you can download the video directly to your computer, which will be on the creator and above. If you're on the free plan, you can just publish your video straight to Facebook by clicking the Facebook button. So that's how you create a square video to use inside your social media posts. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions about this video and creating a square video from a template inside the Wave.video editor, please leave your questions underneath the video and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.